Hello children, we are studying about the houses. We live in house and a house protects us from different things like sun, wind, rain and cold. Now then we have learned about the different rooms of a house. Bathroom, kitchen, dining room, study room, bedroom and drawing room. Now today we are going to study about the season and clothes. So today we will take only season. What is season, children? Season means same type of weather comes in season. सीजन का मतलब होता है जब एक ही तरह का मौसम कई महीनों तक ज्यादा समय तक रहता है उसको हम सीजन कहते हैं. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक. सीजन. वी वेयर different types of clothes in different seasons. There are three main seasons in a year in our country. These are summer season, winter season and the rainy season. Now you can ask this question that seasons are not a basic needs, but we wear clothes and clothes are our basic needs, and we wear clothes, different types of clothes in different season. That is why here they are giving you about season. इसीलिए वो सीजन के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि हम अलग अलग सीजन में अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं. And clothes is our basic need. So we have three seasons in our country. What are they? They are summer season, winter season and rainy season. Now children, can you tell me which season is going on? Yes, this is summer season with rainy season. We have summertime, sometimes we have rain also. So, which season do you like the most? You can write any season which you like the most. Suppose I like winter season, so I will write here winter season. If you write the summer, so you write summer season. You do in the book only. Now, come to the summer season. We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Cotton clothes keep us cool as they absorb sweat from our body. They protect us from heat of the sun. Cotton clothes are made up of cotton that we get from the cotton plants. Now, what is summer season, children? Summer season means the months which have very hot, like April, May, June, July. These are the summer season. And in this season, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton means सूती kapda, because cotton clothes keeps our body cool and they absorb heat from our body. Cotton clothes also protect us from the heat of the sun. In summer season, weather is very hot, sun is very bright. So in that time, cotton clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. Cotton clothes made up of cotton. It is all the cotton clothes which we wear in summer season. It is made of with the cotton. And we get cotton from the cotton plants. Have you seen the cotton plants, children? No. Okay. You ask your parent to show you cotton plants. But I think you all know about the cotton clothes, which is very soft, comfortable, and we all like to wear in summer season. Now come to the winter season. Winter season. We wear woolen clothes in the winter season. They keep our body warm. They are made up of wool. We get wool from sheep, just opposite from the summer season. Summer seasons are very hot and we wear cotton clothes that keeps us cool. In winter time months are very cold from October, November, December, January. These are winter season, and uh, we like to wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes means the clothes which is made with the wool. जो कपड़े ऊन से बने होते हैं उनको वुलन क्लोथ्स कहते हैं. Why we do not wear cotton clothes? Because cotton clothes keep us cool, and in winter we need warm, and we want to keep our body warm. So we wear woolen clothes in winter so that woolen clothes keeps our body warm. And woolen clothes made up of wool, जैसा भी हमने आपको बताया. And we get wool from the sheep. Sheep means children भेड़. तो हमें wool कहाँ से मिलता है? Sheep से मिलता है. Cotton we get from the cotton plants. Wool we get from the sheep. These type of woolen dress we wear in winter, and we like to sit near the fire to keep our body warm. So children, today we have learned about the two seasons, summer season and winter season. Please read this paragraph nicely so that you can understand better. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.